Thank you, thank you,
Thank you, Pao. Thank you, Kim.
thank you po.
Ating balikan ang naging promotion ni Kim Chu at Paulo Avellino kung saan, ay hindi pinakita at ngayon lang ito nakapost, at dahil nga ay ipapalabas na bukas ng gabi ang The Alibay, ay pinalabas na din ng Team Kim Pao ang kanilang mga kaganapan noong nag-promotion sila sa ASAP.
Kim Pao! Paulo Avellino! Kim Pao!
Announce po ng maaga para makabili kami ticket. Thank you, thank you,
Thank you, Pao. Thank you, Kim.
thank you po.
Thank you.
Bye, love you.
Love you, Kim Pao.
Sa US daw muna. Tara na.
Aba? Taas ka, kamay, sino-sino ba yung mga taga-Cavite dito? Oh, ayan, Cavite. See more of our concert came pala pa po natin, Sir Martin Yapena. OG. Happy anniversary, happy birthday. Okay. Eto na.
Take na po kasi ito, Jess.
What's this? They're doing take two?
Yes po. Kasi late sila pumasok.
There's more than one math subject?
Yes. And there's
Oh!
physics, there's geometry, calculus, trigonometry.
Just math. I didn't know there was more than one. I didn't know geometry, trigonometry, algebra. Algebra, I like algebra.
You love algebra.
Yeah, you know.
1 plus 1 equals.